Wii adapters enable modern TVs and accessories to connect seamlessly with Nintendo Wii consoles for better compatibility. My today's video is about top 5 best Wii adapters that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Portholic Wii adapters. The Portholic Wii to HDMI adapter is a compact and convenient way to connect a Nintendo Wii directly to modern TVs, monitors, and projectors. Its plug-and-play design requires no drivers or complicated settings, making installation as simple as connecting the adapter and HDMI cable. I especially like the extra 3.5mm audio jack, which allows headphones or external speakers to be connected for quieter late-night gaming. Measuring just 6 by 3 by 1.9 centimeters, the adapter is small enough to stay neatly attached behind the Wii without taking up desk space or creating cable clutter. One important consideration is compatibility. It does not support the Wii Mini and should be connected directly to the display rather than through a switch or splitter. Some games may also require switching the console to 480p mode for proper HDMI output. Overall, it is a simple, space-saving solution for enjoying Wii games on compatible modern displays. Now our second product is Herfair Wii adapters. The Herfair Wii to HDMI adapter is a convenient solution for connecting Nintendo Wii or Wii U consoles to modern HDMI displays. Its plug-and-play setup requires only an HDMI cable to connect the console and monitor, with support for up to 1080p HDMI video output. The extra 3.5mm audio jack is especially useful when a monitor lacks built-in speakers, allowing headphones or external speakers to be connected separately for quieter gaming sessions. I also appreciate its broad compatibility with Wii display modes, including NTSC 480i, 480p, and PAL 576i. One important note is that some displays may automatically select 480i, which can affect compatibility with certain 240p/480i games. Switching to 480p may help. Measuring just 6 by 3 by 1.9 centimeters, the adapter attaches neatly to the back of the console and helps keep cables organized. Overall, it is a compact, portable, and user-friendly upgrade for Wii gaming setups. Our third product is Taikura Wii adapters. This Wii to HDMI converter is a convenient way to connect Wii and Wii U consoles to modern HDTVs, monitors, and projectors with HDMI ports. It supports common Wii display modes, including NTSC 480i, 480p, and PAL 576i, making it versatile for different displays. The plug-and-play design requires no extra power supply, allowing quick and simple setup. I also appreciate the upgraded signal processing, which converts the Wii's analog signal into standard HDMI digital output while helping reduce visual noise and blurry frames for a smoother gaming experience. Its standalone design is especially useful because you can choose an HDMI cable of your preferred length, making cable management easier for different room layouts. The compact, lightweight construction is ideal for family game nights, gatherings, and nostalgic Wii sessions on larger screens. However, it is not compatible with Wii Mini and should connect directly to the display rather than through a switch or splitter. An 18-month warranty adds extra peace of mind. Now number 4, Xahpower Wii adapters. This replacement AC adapter is a practical power solution for Nintendo Wii consoles, whether you need a reliable replacement or a backup charger. It supports a 100V 240V input and provides 12V 3.7A output, making it suitable for worldwide use thanks to its automatic voltage adjustment. The generous 8.3-foot cable offers convenient flexibility, allowing you to position the Wii comfortably without keeping it too close to the power outlet. Its durable metal and plastic construction, along with a flame-resistant shell, is designed for dependable long-term use. I also appreciate the built-in safety protections against overheating, overcurrent, overvoltage, and short circuits, adding extra peace of mind during gaming sessions. The plug-and-play design makes setup simple with no complicated installation required. Overall, this Wii power adapter is a convenient and portable choice for maintaining reliable console power, extending gaming time, and keeping a spare available when needed. After-sales support is also provided for product-related concerns. And our last choice is Autoutlet Wii adapters. This Wii to HDMI converter is a convenient way to connect Wii and Wii U consoles to modern HDMI-compatible TVs, monitors, and projectors. Its plug-and-play design requires no drivers or complicated setup, making it easy to start gaming quickly. The reinforced cable construction and multi-layer shielding provide better durability and help reduce interference, flickering, blackouts, and frame drops for a more stable signal. It supports 1080p HDMI output for compatible displays, delivering digital video and audio without transmission loss, although it does not enhance the original Wii image quality. Support for NTSC 480i, 480p, and PAL 576i modes makes it suitable for different display settings. I also like that video and audio are transmitted together through HDMI, simplifying the setup. One important note is that the adapter must connect directly to the TV, monitor, or projector rather than a switch or splitter, and it does not support Wii Mini. Overall, it is a simple, durable solution for modernizing a classic Wii setup. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.